Hi, good day. This project is titled Prediction of Hourly Bike Rentals in Seoul, South Korea. I noticed that many cities council want to reduce the impact of transportation on climate change and also global warming. So they encourage their citizens to switch to sustainable transportation means like using bicycles or other system of transportation like electric vehicles. So I was curious about this and I wanted to find out if I could look for a way to help these local authorities to predict the bike rental demand for their locations. And that is when I started looking for a data set. I found that of Seoul, South Korea on the UCI Machine Learning Repository. So this project is just a walkthrough of what I did, how I cleaned the data from UCI, trained it, produced a model, and then I was able to successfully make a prediction. If you go through this GitHub repo, which I named Bike Rentals, and you read through the README file, it will explain to you what I did step by step, and also how you can deploy the app on Flask, and also how you can create a Docker image whereby you can use the Docker image to deploy the app on the cloud on a containerized infrastructure or on Kubernetes. Now, let me demonstrate to you a way to make predictions from the app when deployed on Flask. If you go through the section titled Deploying the App on Flask, just go through the step-by-step framework I have posted on the GitHub repo. First, you create a virtual environment, then you enter the virtual environment. I prepared all the files you need. Then you install the dependencies. Then after that, in your virtual environment, what you do is you just run this gunicorn command if you are on Linux, or if you are on Windows, you run the waitress command. Let me open my terminal. Let me open my terminal and show you a demonstration of how this can be done. I'll go to my project folder. I'll go to that. I'll enter the virtual environment. Now I'm on the virtual environment. So let me launch the Flask app so that it will serve as the web server. I just copy and paste that command on GitHub repo. You see, it's now launched. It's listening at localhost port 9696. Now let's do a prediction. We'll go back to that folder because the file used for prediction is also on the folder. I prepared everything for you to make it easy. I'll enter the virtual environment. Then the prediction, the file for the prediction is called clients.py. When you launch client.py, it has made a prediction. It says the bike rental demand is 446. That is based on the data I fed to this web server that is still running. The rental demand was 446. Now let me show you the client.py app, how it looks like. This is the client.py app. You can see the data and the features used to make the prediction. If you see R feature, temperature, humidity, wind speed, down to days of year. I explain what each of these feature is. You can tweak the client.py app and it will give you the prediction based on the data you feed it. In the future course of this project, I will build a Streamlit app. A Streamlit app will be like a web interface where you just input the data for the features and it will give you a prediction. So that's all I have for you for now. Thank you for listening to my video. I hope to see all of you soon.